you guys like this video and subscribe, pop over to Google and search HelloFresh to get started. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you sign up and receive your first box, you can cancel whenever. So don't worry. There's no obligation or contract. You're able to skip as many meals and change your plans, the serving sizes, and everything at the click of a button, basically. So once you're signed up, you have unlimited access to so many recipes, hundreds of recipes that are so delicious, and you have the freedom to pick and choose meals and have them delivered right to your door, and on the day of your choosing, which is cool. So if you want it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever you want. And once you open up your box, you'll be refreshed with the pre-portioned ingredients. You don't have to measure anything. It eliminates the need for food waste and having too many leftovers and just money wasted in general. So stop wasting time and money and get your first box with my coupon code HOU011 for $20 off your first 3 boxes. And if you guys have any questions, I will have all links provided below. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.